Today I'm going to show you how to make an insanely delicious smoked meat spaghetti. Look, salt can kill you. Smoke can kill you too. But salt and smoke together? Well, that's the cure.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
We're going to start by making our spaghetti sauce. Make it quick, you don't want it to suffer. Fun fact, onions, much like Pokemon card scalpers, do not require their skin. Dice your onion. Now, onto the garlic. Crush your garlic. Now we're going to mince our garlic. My retinas are burning. The tears are because of the garlic, not because of my feelings. For the sauce, I like to use San Marzano tomatoes because they're a little bit sweeter. Basically what that means is we won't have to simmer our sauce for like 3 to 4 hours to get rid of that acidity. We can get it all done in about an hour. We're going to transfer this to a blender. Ooh. Cinema. A little bit of olive oil. Now I'm going to put in my ground beef. If you want to make this dish vegan, just don't use the ground beef. Or the smoked meat. Or the cheese. Or happiness. And that's the meat that's done. And then I'm going to put my onions. We're going to deglaze the pan with those onions. Once the onions are ready, we're going to add in our garlic. Ooh, ooh. That smells amazing. Now we're going to put in the tomato sauce. Take it easy, take it easy. I'm also going to put in a little bit of water. I'm going to do a healthy pinch of salt. A little bit of spicy salt. Don't forget the meat. Now we're going to put the meat back in. It's good, it's simple. Like me. Now we're going to let this simmer for about 1 hour. That's a pretty sauce. That's a pretty sauce. We've got about an hour to kill, so let's get started on our smoked meat. Here we go, here we go. Well, this plan wasn't very well thought out. How to make smoked meat. Turns out making smoked meat takes a lot longer than I expected. So let's go on an adventure to find some smoked meat. Let's go. Maybe we put the meat away first.
It's a rainy day.
Let's go get some smoked meat. We're on a smoked meat adventure. Use your turn signal, you stupid potato. It's not real Montreal smoked meat if you don't hit traffic on your way to get it. If you thought we were going to Schwartz's, you were wrong. It's very important to get a little treat for the road. Cornetzel, time to go back home. That smells good. Uh-oh, hi, uh-oh. Just gotta test if it's good, make sure it's good. We're gonna lay out a generous portion of smoked meat. Now we're gonna chop up our smoked meat. My smoked meat of choice is a medium fatty, but feel free to use lean or full fat. It's up to you. Now we're gonna make ourselves a little mountain of Parmigiano Reggiano. We're gonna do about that much. Time to add our cheese to our sauce. Now let's plate. We're gonna start with our pasta. Ooh, boy. I've already tossed them with a little bit of sauce. Then I'm gonna ladle on a little bit of sauce. Get a nice coverage on that. After that, we're gonna put our smoked meat on top. And then I'm gonna finish it with some chili flakes on top. And that's how you make smoked meat spaghetti. Time to dig in. Aye. That's good. Just to be sure. Smoked meat spaghetti, make it. Bye friends.